How to flip and rotate a video in CapCut PC. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to rotate or mirror a video in CapCut on PC. So if you recorded a video on your phone or downloaded one from the internet and it's facing the wrong direction, make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. I already have a video added to my CapCut timeline, and as you can see, it's rotated and mirrored the wrong way. To fix this, just click on the video in your timeline so it's selected. Once you select the clip, a few options will appear. Now look for the small icon that looks like two triangles with arrows on them and click on it. This will open a menu with more options. Here, you'll see options like freeze frame and reverse, but scroll down to the bottom. First, you'll find the mirror option. If your video looks flipped left to right, just click on mirror and it'll fix it instantly. Right below that, you'll see the rotate option. Click on it to rotate your video by 90 degrees. If it's still not correct, just click it again. You can rotate the video 180 or even 270 degrees by clicking the rotate button multiple times. And that's it. Your video is now properly aligned and ready to use. That's all for the video.